Welcome back to the channel, where today we'll be diving into a common problem that many users encounter with their devices. The problem at hand revolves around a mysterious error message that keeps popping up, causing frustration and confusion for those trying to use their tech seamlessly. We'll explore this issue further and offer a solution to help you get back on track in no time. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. The key to resolving this issue lies in implementing a simple yet effective troubleshooting step. By following a specific set of instructions, you'll be able to address the root cause of the error message and prevent it from disrupting your workflow. This solution is accessible to users of all levels, making it a practical fix for anyone experiencing this issue. In addition to the initial solution, there are additional steps you can take to ensure long-term success in resolving the problem. By incorporating regular maintenance practices and keeping your device up to date, you will minimize the chances of encountering similar error messages in the future. This proactive approach will help you stay ahead of any potential issues and maintain a smooth user experience. In conclusion, we've explored a common problem that many users face with their devices and provided a straightforward solution to address it effectively. By following the steps outlined, you'll be able to resolve the error message and prevent it from causing further disruptions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your tech running smoothly.